Imagine asking ChatGPT to design a professional presentation for you, complete with your brand colors and layout, and it actually opens the finished slides in Canva, ready to edit. That's not magic, that's ChatGPT Connectors. They are one of the most exciting updates yet, allowing ChatGPT to connect directly to third-party tools like Canva, Google Drive, or Slack and actually do things for you instead of just suggesting them. So what are connectors exactly? Think of them as ChatGPT's way of reaching beyond its chat window. Once connected, it can access external apps to generate visuals, documents, data, or even automations, all from your prompts. Instead of switching tabs or downloading templates, ChatGPT now acts as your central command hub for creation and collaboration. Let's see how to create one. Let's connect to Canva in today's demo. To set it up, log in to ChatGPT using your account. Click on this icon, go to settings, enter apps and connectors. Here search for Canva, click on Canva and connect to your Canva account. Now Canva would like to access your account, so allow that. Once authorization is successful, Canva is successfully connected to your ChatGPT account. It's time to check the connectors in action. Let's give a prompt here to use the Canva connector to create a 5-slide presentation titled AI in Recruiting and also explaining how the slide has to look like. Let's give this prompt to ChatGPT and check the magic. ChatGPT is connecting to the app, that is our Canva. Now ChatGPT has generated the content. It has given a clickable link to Canva. It has also mentioned that it can add speaker notes for each slide or tweak the slide headlines or bullets. So let's first check how it looks like in Canva. Let's click on this link to check the presentation in Canva. When you open this, you can see that the slides are already built, beautifully formatted and ready for you to make the minor tweaks that you require. This is the real power of connectors. You're not just getting ideas, you're getting deliverables. ChatGPT becomes a bridge between creativity and execution, helping you to move from prompt to production in a single workflow. For recruiters, marketers, or creators, this means less clicking, more creating, and faster turnaround on every project. Subscribe to Interview Kickstart YouTube channel to know more about how AI could make your life much easier.